welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for elevating your living spaces. Today, we're tackling a design challenge that many homeowners face: how to maximize the potential of a small outdoor area with outdoor fireplace. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's explore the outdoor living space decor specifically. We're diving into the world of outdoor fireplaces for small patios. These aren't just decorative elements, they are transformative additions that can truly redefine how you experience your outdoor space. When we talk about an outdoor fireplace for a small patio, we're referring to a dedicated structure, either built-in or freestanding, designed to contain and produce fire in a limited outdoor area. Unlike a large, expansive backyard where a grand outdoor fireplace might be a central feature, a small patio demands a more considered approach. The meaning here lies in functionality within constraint. It's about providing warmth, ambience, and a focal point without overwhelming the limited square footage. This often translates to more compact designs, vertical orientations, or strategically placed portable units. The goal is to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that extends your indoor living space outwards, even when space is at a premium. It's about creating a destination within your patio, a place where you can gather, relax, and enjoy the outdoors well into the cooler evenings. Essentially, it's a carefully scaled solution that brings the allure of fire to intimate outdoor settings. Choosing an outdoor fireplace for a small patio offers a multitude of benefits, extending far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost, it significantly enhances comfort. Even on a small patio, temperatures can drop in the evenings, and a fireplace provides a source of radiant heat, allowing you to utilize your outdoor space for more hours throughout the day and more days throughout the year. Secondly, it creates an unparalleled ambience. The dancing flames and the soft glow of a fire instantly transform any space into a more inviting and relaxing environment. This is particularly impactful on a small patio, where the fire can truly become the heart of the space. Thirdly, it acts as a natural gathering point. People are inherently drawn to fire, and an outdoor fireplace encourages conversation, connection, and relaxation amongst family and friends. Fourth, it adds a substantial amount of aesthetic appeal and perceived value to your property. A well-designed outdoor fireplace, even a compact one, demonstrates a commitment to outdoor living and adds a touch of luxury. Finally, and crucially for small patios, it optimizes your limited space. Unlike a sprawling fire pit that might require a large clear area, many outdoor fireplaces are designed with a smaller footprint, allowing for strategic placement against a wall or in a corner, thus maximizing your usable patio area. Decorating your outdoor fireplace for a small patio requires a thoughtful approach to ensure it complements the existing space without feeling cluttered. The key is to enhance its appeal while maintaining functionality and flow. Start by considering the surrounding furniture. Opt for scaled-down, comfortable seating that encourages conversation around the fireplace. Think love seats, accent chairs, or even stylish ottomans that can double as seating. Integrate outdoor-rated throw pillows and blankets in textures and colors that align with your overall design scheme. Next, focus on lighting. Beyond the glow of the fire itself, incorporate ambient lighting such as string lights, solar-powered lanterns, or even a small outdoor floor lamp to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in the evenings. For surface decoration on the mantel or hearth, if applicable, choose a few carefully selected, weather-resistant decorative items. This could include a decorative pot with an outdoor plant, a grouping of attractive candles, or a unique piece of outdoor sculpture. Remember to keep the scale appropriate for a small patio, avoiding oversized items that might overpower the space. Consider placing a small, durable outdoor rug in front of the fireplace to define the area and add a layer of texture and color. Finally, incorporate greenery. Potted plants, small trees, or even hanging baskets can soften the hard lines of the fireplace and bring life and freshness to your patio. The goal is to create a cohesive and inviting outdoor living room, with the fireplace as its central and captivating feature. When selecting an outdoor fireplace for a small patio, the choice of material is paramount for durability, aesthetics, and maintenance. Given the exposure to varying weather conditions, robust and weather-resistant materials are essential. One of the most popular and versatile options is stucco over a concrete or block base. This provides a smooth, contemporary finish that can be painted to match your existing exterior and offers excellent weather resistance. Another excellent choice is natural stone, such as granite, limestone, or slate. Stone offers a timeless, rustic, and incredibly durable aesthetic, though it can be a more expensive option. For a more industrial or modern look, Corten steel is an increasingly popular material. This unique steel forms a stable, rust-like appearance when exposed to weather, creating a distinctive and contemporary finish that requires minimal maintenance. Brick is another classic and highly durable option, available in various colors and styles to suit both traditional and modern designs. For more portable or freestanding units, powder-coated steel or aluminum are good choices, offering lightweight yet durable construction with a wide range of color options. Finally, for those on a budget or seeking a quick solution, prefabricated concrete units are available that can be faced with various veneers, offering a custom look at a lower cost. The best material for your small patio fireplace will ultimately depend on your budget, desired aesthetic, and the level of maintenance you are willing to undertake, but prioritizing weather resistance and durability is always key. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating an outdoor fireplace into your small patio. Hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor fireplace for small patio ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, compact corner outdoor fireplace. This design is built directly into a corner of your patio, maximizing vertical space and keeping the footprint minimal. It often features a simple, clean design in stucco or brick, allowing for surrounding seating to comfortably define the area. This is ideal for truly limited spaces where every inch counts. 2. Slim wall-mounted outdoor fireplace. For an ultramodern aesthetic, consider a slim, wall-mounted fireplace. These are typically fueled by gel or ethanol, producing a clean, ventless flame. They offer a sleek profile, perfect for contemporary small patios, and don't require extensive construction. 3. Portable gas fire pit table. While technically a fire pit, many compact gas fire pit tables are designed to resemble a fireplace with a central flame element. These are incredibly versatile for small patios as they can be moved and often double as a coffee table. They offer instant warmth and ambience with minimal effort. 4. Stacked stone freestanding outdoor fireplace unit. A more traditional and robust option, a freestanding stacked stone fireplace can be a beautiful focal point. Look for designs with a narrower profile and a taller stature to minimize their footprint while still making a significant visual impact. 5. Corten steel vertical fire feature. For a striking contemporary statement, a vertical Corten steel fire feature is an excellent choice. These units are often tall and slender, creating a dramatic visual element and a beautiful, rustic modern aesthetic as the steel weathers. 6. Built-in bench with integrated outdoor fireplace. This clever design integrates a small fireplace directly into a built-in seating bench. This maximizes space efficiency by combining two functions into one cohesive unit, making it perfect for small patios where every element needs to serve multiple purposes. 7. Masonry outdoor fireplace with recessed log storage. If you appreciate the traditional appeal of a masonry fireplace, opt for a design that incorporates recessed storage for firewood beneath the firebox. This keeps the area tidy and adds a functional and aesthetic element, particularly for wood-burning units. 8. Modern concrete outdoor fireplace with clean lines. A minimalist concrete fireplace can blend seamlessly into a modern small patio. These designs typically feature sharp angles and a smooth finish, focusing on the simplicity of form and the beauty of the flame. 9. Two-sided see-through outdoor fireplace. While requiring a bit more planning, a small, two-sided fireplace can be incredibly impactful on a small patio by creating a visual division without blocking sightlines entirely. This can connect two distinct zones within your patio while providing ambience to both. 10. Prefabricated modular fireplace kit. For those seeking a DIY-friendly option, prefabricated modular fireplace kits offer a relatively straightforward installation. These typically come with all necessary components and can be finished with various veneers like stone or brick to match your patio style. As you can see, a small patio doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the warmth and beauty of an outdoor fireplace. With careful planning and the right design choices, you can transform even the most compact outdoor space into a cozy, inviting oasis. Whether you opt for a sleek modern design or a rustic stone structure, an outdoor fireplace will undoubtedly elevate your outdoor living experience. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more home decor and design inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your favorite small patio fireplace idea or any questions you might have. Until next time, happy designing!